Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're taking a look at something wild, bold, and totally unexpected: the Ford Mustang Motorhome 2026. Imagine the muscle car spirit of the Mustang combined with the freedom and versatility of a motorhome, creating a machine that brings raw performance, comfort, and adventure together in one unique package. The Mustang has always been a symbol of power and American freedom, and now in 2026 it takes that legacy to a whole new level. From the outside, the Ford Mustang Motorhome 2026 is a showstopper. At first glance, you see the signature Mustang design cues: the iconic pony badge on the grille, the aggressive front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and muscular body lines. But then, you notice how Ford has extended and sculpted the rear into a sleek motorhome form, merging sportiness with practicality. Aerodynamic enhancements keep the shape flowing smoothly, while bold alloy wheels, wide tires, and dual exhausts add to its powerful stance. Unlike any traditional RV, this is a motorhome that looks fast, daring, and confident, perfectly carrying Mustang's performance DNA. Step inside, and the Mustang identity continues, but now infused with the luxuries of modern motorhome living. The driver's cockpit feels like a Mustang sports car, complete with a flat-bottom steering wheel, paddle shifters, and a digital performance cluster. But move further in, and the atmosphere transforms into a cozy, futuristic lounge. Premium leather seating with Mustang-inspired stitching, ambient mood lighting, and brushed aluminum accents create a perfect blend of muscle car toughness and comfort. The interior includes a convertible dining area, a compact yet fully equipped kitchen, and a rear suite with a queen-sized bed. The bathroom is thoughtfully designed, featuring modern fixtures and efficient use of space, giving you everything you need for extended trips. Performance is where the Ford Mustang Motorhome 2026 surprises the most. Built with a hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine with electric assistance, this motorhome offers both muscle and efficiency. Together, the system produces an impressive 500 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes on the market. Despite its size, acceleration is quick and smooth, allowing you to merge onto highways with confidence. Mustang's adaptive suspension has been tuned to balance comfort with handling, giving drivers an experience that feels more like piloting a muscle SUV than a bulky RV. Multiple drive modes, including Sport, Eco, and Tow, ensure that the motorhome adapts to whatever journey you take on. Handling is equally impressive. Wide track stability, all-wheel drive, and advanced traction control keep the Mustang motorhome planted, even on challenging roads. Whether cruising through mountain passes, desert highways, or city streets, it feels stable and reassuring, unlike traditional motorhomes that can feel heavy and clumsy. Enhanced noise insulation means that passengers can enjoy quiet cabins, while regenerative braking in the hybrid system improves efficiency and reduces wear on traditional brakes. On the technology front, Ford has packed this motorhome with advanced driver assist features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras make long journeys easier and safer. The infotainment system is powered by Ford's Sync technology, offering voice control, navigation, smartphone integration, and even real-time performance monitoring. For those who like to stay connected on the road, built-in Wi-Fi ensures that passengers can work, stream, or stay in touch while traveling. The benefits of owning the Ford Mustang Motorhome 2026 go far beyond its specs. It's the perfect balance of thrill and practicality. For muscle car fans, it's a dream come true, a Mustang you can live in. For families, it offers enough comfort and space for extended trips, without giving up the excitement of driving a performance-inspired machine. For adventurers, it provides freedom, reliability, and an unmistakable presence on the road. Unlike conventional RVs, this motorhome carries the Mustang spirit, bold, untamed, and unforgettable. The Ford Mustang Motorhome 2026 isn't just a vehicle,